I am Dr. Harish Kumar. I am from India, Tamil Nadu, the southmost part of India. I am practicing for 14 plus years of physiotherapy, and I am in Matrix family for 2+ years. Matrix has changed my life. Matrix has totally a big U-turn in my career, which has given a big leap in my career. It has changed my lifestyle, starting from financial wise as well as in professional wise, and the main thing is I get job satisfaction. I treat a patient and send the patient with good smile. The main thing is after Matrix, it has improved the spectrum of scope of a physiotherapist, where we are not allowed to do treatment sessions. We are allowed to do it here, and the places where we are not allowed, we are doing treatment and giving result. In 3 or 4 sessions we are giving the result. I think Matrix Rhythm Therapy as a golden feather for a physiotherapy hat. Every physiotherapist should have this, and it is the time to rewrite our books and give a better result for our patients and give the well-being to the patients. Matrix is one of it is one of my family member. With my family, it is so close to me because everything is it is hide up with my Matrix therapy. I treat about ulcers. It's not only I've treated pain management and restriction of movement. I've treated on wound healing ulcers, non-healing ulcers, diabetic ulcers, bed sores, pressure sores, Hashimoto's encephalopathy. The cases where you name it, I can treat it. That is what I say my patients. The patients, how we get it. Normally I get patients through word of mouth. I treat a patient and I educate them because I spend around 60 minutes with the patient. I'll be educating the patient about what is Matrix, what are all the scope of practice, where and all we can use it, what is the concept behind him. I educate my patient, and this patient will start promoting about me, about Matrix in the society, and that's how I get my patient. All my patients are recorded. We have a video recorded, we have photo recorded, so that I can give a wrong commitment or wrong message, but a photo or a video cannot give a wrong message. That is how we create the testimonials, and through that testimonials we get more new number of patients to our clinic. Now initially I had started, I can say my lifestyle, life career as before Matrix and after Matrix. Before Matrix, I was in a 700 square feet of place where I have a small clinic in my city, but now I am in a 3000 square feet area, which is a huge clinic in my place. It's all because of Matrix. It has given the confidence, it has increases my credibility in the society, it has increased the value when I go to a market, supermarket, I go to a temple. Yes, Dr. Harish is coming. The credibility is increased in the society. It's just because of Matrix. Because all the patients who are all treated, I'm treating is, which are all treated by other doctors, they say, no, you have to take rest, nothing can be done. I explore in those cases and I give results. That is where we are standing. I really thank Dr. Randall and Randall's Institute for giving this a massive a machine or an instrument to the society, to the well-being of the people, and using the concept and spreading the Matrix concept all over the world. I will be happy and spreading the Matrix concept in my place, in my society, and bringing good well-being to my society people. Thank you. Vanakkam. Thank you for sharing our videos. Subscribe our YouTube channel by pressing the bell icon for all latest updates and videos. Like our Facebook page and Instagram page and follow us. Our website is www.saihealthcarefoundation.com. Thank you.